So yesterday and day before yesterday we completed present tense and past tense. Now today we are starting with future tense. Future tense has also 4 parts: future indefinite, future continuous, future perfect continuous. Future tense is all about future, जो कि होने वाला है, अभी तक हुआ नहीं है. So starting with future indefinite, future for an action that will take place in future. एक ऐसा काम जो फ्यूचर में जगह लेगा, एक ऐसा काम जो फ्यूचर में होगा. I shall go to picnic on Monday. मैं मंडे को पिकनिक जा सकती हूँ या जाऊंगी. Sentence structure affirmative. Subject plus will plus verb first form plus object. The maid will come tomorrow. कोई भी subject है, what we'll use will with first form and the example will. The maid will come tomorrow. जो maid है, जो नौकरानी है, वो कल आएंगी. I we के साथ हम क्या यूज करते हैं? shall verb first form plus object. We shall go to market next day. हम अगले दिन मार्केट जाएंगे. Negative will shall plus not plus verb first form plus object. The maid will not come tomorrow. जो maid है वो कल नहीं आएंगी. Interrogative will shall plus subject. Will the maid come tomorrow? क्या maid कल आएंगी? Moving to future continuous tense. Future continuous tense for an action that will be going to take place at some given time in future. एक ऐसा काम जो फ्यूचर में किसी दिए हुए वक्त पर शुरू होगा. दैट मीन्स शी विल बी गोइंग फॉर शॉपिंग ऑन संडे, कि वो संडे को शॉपिंग जाएगी. अफर्मेटिव. Subject plus will shall plus be plus verb first form plus ing plus object. She will be reading a poem in the next period. वो next period में poem पढ़ रही होंगी. Now here, as we have seen, in present continuous ing was there, in past continuous ing was there, now in future continuous ing is there. That means you need not to learn where ing will come, just see continuous and you will be getting the point कि continuous है तो ing आएगा, ing है तो verbs first form will be there. So mark this: continuous ing verb first form. Okay. Negative. Subject will shall not be verb first form ing object. She will not be reading a poem in the next period, कि वो next period में poem नहीं पढ़ रही होंगी. Interrogative. Will shall plus subject plus be plus verb first form plus ing plus object. Will she be reading a poem in the next period? क्या next period में वो poem पढ़ रही होंगी. Coming to future perfect tense. Future perfect tense uses to indicate the completion of an action by a certain time in a future. Now हम एक ऐसा action जो कि future में एक time पर ख़त्म हो चुका होगा ये बताएंगे कि भाई कल मैं ये काम इस time तक ख़त्म कर चुकी होंगी. The movie will have started when we reach the theater. जब हम theater पहुँचेंगे तब तक movie start हो चुकी होगी. Sentence structure affirmative. Subject will shall have verb third form object. She will have finished this novel by evening. वो शाम तक ये नॉवल ख़त्म कर चुकी होगी. We are thinking. फ्यूचर को लेके हम सिर्फ सोच सकते हैं, ठीक है. सो वी आर जस्ट थिंकिंग दैट बाय इवनिंग शी विल हैव फिनिश्ड दिस नॉवल, कि इवनिंग तक वो ये नॉवल ख़त्म कर चुकी होगी. करेगी नहीं करेगी दैट डिपेंड्स ऑन फ्यूचर, बट वी आर जस्ट thinking, we are just imagining the future tense. Okay, now here you can see verbs third form is coming and the tense is perfect. And in present tense, present perfect tense, it was verbs third form. Past perfect tense verb third form. Future perfect tense it was third form. So you can learn कि perfect tense में third form आती है. Negative, we'll use not with will shall. She will not have finished this novel by the evening, कि वो शाम तक ये नॉवल ख़त्म नहीं कर चुकी होगी. Interrogative, will shall subject plus have verb third form object. Will she have finished this novel by the evening? क्या evening तक वो ये नॉवल ख़त्म कर चुकी होगी. Coming to future perfect tense. Future perfect continuous tense. Future perfect continuous tense, to show an action continuing beyond a given time in future. Now we are talking beyond imagination. First, future is an imagination, you know it all. Now in this tense, future perfect continuous means कि एक ऐसा काम जो हमारी इमेजिनेशन से भी दूर है, हमारे टाइम जो हम दे रहे हैं उससे भी दूर है. लाइक रजत विल हैव बीन गोइंग टू द मार्केट नेक्स्ट ट्यूसडे. नेक्स्ट ट्यूसडे को रजत मार्केट जा रहा होगा. वी आर थिंकिंग कि रजत नेक्स्ट ट्यूसडे को मार्केट जा रहा होगा. Sentence structure affirmative. Subject will shall have been verb first form ing object since and for. He will have been reading about the accident in the newspaper next morning. First of all, एक एक्सीडेंट जो अभी तक हुआ नहीं है, तो हम उस एक्सीडेंट के बारे में सोच रहे हैं कि इस एक्सीडेंट के बारे में कल सुबह यह न्यूज़पेपर में पढ़ रहा होगा. Completely imagination. Negative. Will shall not, he will not have been reading about the accident in the newspaper next morning, कि अगली सुबह वो इस एक्सीडेंट के बारे में नहीं पढ़ रहा होगा. Will he interrogative. Will shall subject, have verb first form ing object since for, and here have plus been. Will he have been reading about the accident in the newspaper next morning? क्या वो नेक्स्ट मॉर्निंग न्यूज़पेपर में इस एक्सीडेंट के बारे में पढ़ रहा होगा. सो फ्यूचर परफेक्ट कॉन्टिन्यूअस इज कंप्लीटली एन इमेजिनेशन बियॉन्ड अ टाइम लिमिट. We can just imagine this thing. Okay, so hope you have understood future tense also. Kindly 3 videos, present tense, past tense and future tense, these 3 videos properly to understand tenses better. Only after learning and revising these videos you will be able to solve the exercises and to do exercises properly.